Hello everyone. Let's start with a quick question. Have you ever looked at your closet before work and thought, I have nothing to wear? In this lecture, we will look at the key pieces every business casual wardrobe needs. These essentials will make it easier to build professional outfits without daily stress of deciding what to wear. Let's begin this. After completing this lecture, you will be able to identify the essential items for a business casual wardrobe. Understand how each piece contributes to a versatile business casual look. Select the items that suit both your personal style and professional needs. Let's start with the blazer. A well-fitted blazer is one of the most versatile pieces you can own. It instantly adds polish to almost any outfit, whether it's worn with dress pants, chinos, or even a nice pair of jeans in more relaxed settings. Choose a neutral color like black, navy, or gray for maximum versatility. This way, you can mix and match it with multiple outfits. Fashion expert Nina Gracia says a blazer pulls together your look effortlessly, adding a professional touch without much effort. Next, we have button down shirts or blouses for women. A few quality shirts in basic colors like white, blue, light grey go a long way. They work well under blazers or sweaters and can be dressed up with a tie or jewelry. These shirts are like the core ingredients of your wardrobe, as they work with almost anything. Just like how pasta and sauce are basic in Italian cooking, button down shirts are the foundation of your business casual look. They're reliable, simple, and always look good when paired with other essentials. Dress pants and chinos are essential for business casual look because they balance comfort and formality. While dress pants are more formal, chinos offer a more relaxed vibe while looking polished. A pair of grey, black, and beige pants can match nearly any shirt or sweater. The key is to ensure they fit well. They shouldn't be too loose or too tight. These pants are like the sturdy base of your wardrobe, giving structure to your outfits. For women, a modest knee-length skirt in a neutral color is a great addition to a business casual wardrobe. Pencil skirts and A-line skirts work well in most professional settings, offering style without compromising on professionalism. Skirts also provide variety, allowing you to swap out pants for different silhouette. When paired with a blouse or a sweater, a well-chosen skirt can make any outfit feel put together and balanced. Sweaters are especially useful for layering in cooler weather. Choose a simple classic style like V-necks or crew necks in neutral shades. Sweaters add warmth and can be layered over a button-down shirt or a blouse for a polished, cozy look. They're a great way to add a bit of personal style as you can experiment with patterns or colors while staying within business casual framework. Let's talk about Maria, who recently got promoted and needed to upgrade her work wardrobe. She decided to invest in a well-fitted black blazer even though it was more expensive than other items. This blazer turned out to be a game changer. Maria could wear it with almost anything, over a dress, with a blouse and dress pants, or even with jeans on Fridays. The blazer helped her look polished and professional without overthinking her outfits. The moral of the story? Sometimes investing in one essential piece can transform your wardrobe and make dressing for work a lot easier. Remember, shoes can complete or ruin an outfit, so it is important to choose a few pairs that fit well with business casual looks. For men, loafers or oxfords in a black or brown are ideal. Women might choose flats, loafers, or low heeled pumps. Look for quality and comfort as you will likely be wearing these shoes for long periods. Well chosen shoes give a sense of confidence and polish to your overall look. Finally, a few tasteful accessories can add a bit of personality to your business casual outfits. Think of simple belts, a classic watch, or subtle jewelry. Keep accessories minimal and choose items that are easy to pair with multiple outfits. Accessories should add a touch of style without overwhelming the look. Imagine building a house. You start with the foundation, walls, and roof before adding the finer details. Similarly, in a business casual wardrobe, essential items like blazers, dress pants, and button down shirts are the foundation pieces. They create a strong base, allowing you to add details like sweaters, shoes, accessories to complete the look. Having these foundational pieces makes getting dressed as easy as adding the final touches to a solid structure. Make a list of essential business casual items you already own. Then identify which pieces are missing. Prioritize the items you need the most to start a plan for building your wardrobe. Alright, tell us, what are some of your favorite essential pieces in your wardrobe? Which items do you think make the biggest difference in creating a polished look? Feel free to share your insights in the comment section. To sum up, in this lecture, we covered the essential pieces that form the foundation of a business casual wardrobe. From blazers and button downs to dress pants and professional shoes, each item plays a specific role in helping you create a balanced and versatile look. Well, that may be so. In the next lecture, we will unveil another dimension of business casual. Be there.